Sorry I swung at you without any warning, Goku. For a second there, I thought you were someone else.
Nah, you were just rattled. Don't worry about it. So tell us, who is this guy?
Would you believe me if I said he called himself Goku?
What? Me?
He wears dark clothes instead of your orange ones, so we started calling him Goku Black. I'll never forget the day he showed up. He said he was going to exterminate the human race. He said he was doing it in the name of justice. I struggled against him for a year after that, but by that point there were hardly any survivors left on Earth. Then, he tracked down Mom just before I came here.
Wait a sec. My future self also wrote a message specifically for me. She wanted us to fix the machine and return with you.
That means she wants me to go there and beat Kakarot myself.
Come on, Vegeta, it's not me. It must be someone who just looks like me. Hey, Trunks, help me gauge how strong this guy is. Fight me for a while so you can compare my strength to his.
Sure.
Jumping to Super Saiyan 2 right off the bat, huh? Sounds good to me. I figured this out after you left. I call it Super Saiyan 3.
That's incredible. I wouldn't expect anything less from you. In that case, I'll show you my strongest move.
All right, attack me with everything you've got.
Goku Black!
Oh, now I see. No wonder I couldn't find you. Goku? And the Destroyer Beerus. Wow, you really do look alike, huh? How are you, Goku? You're looking quite well.
So, we're about to watch Goku versus Goku. It's shaping up to be a fascinating day.
Got a little something for you. This is everyone's power, the Spirit Bomb! Kaio 10 times 10! No! Times 20! Not bad. But you're a whole lot stronger than that, right? I'm flattered you rate me so highly. But I'm getting too much out of this to rush. Take this! Kept you waiting, huh? Excellent, Goku. You can hurt me as much as you want. The pain will only make me stronger. Okay. That's a pretty creepy thing to say. That pull. The distortion in space-time must be dissipating. It's going back to normal. It would be your utmost pleasure to please engage in fisticuffs with me, your kindness, sir! All right, let's give it a go! You know, I haven't fought a god since Lord Beerus.
You fought a destroyer?
I'm going all out! Take it! Crumble! Have some of this! Have me! Have me!
Luis, did you feel that?
Indeed.
Wait, was that Black's energy? But it was awfully close. Have some of this! Have me! Have me! You know, for just a plain old Kai, you're pretty strong.
Between the antisocial psyche that's clearly lurking within him and the energy that he's projected outward, I'd say our suspicions that ZAMASU is black have been circumstantially corroborated.
Then maybe I should just dispense with him now while I can.
You guys sure about this? You know, he really didn't seem like such a bad guy to me.
That's because you're too trusting of people.
The energy I felt was similar, but it wasn't exactly the same as Black's.
It seems there are more mysteries to solve.
If you do anything that Grand Zeno finds insulting, he could easily erase you, me, this entire reality from existence. Don't forget that. One more thing, Whis. If Grand Zeno does lash out, make sure it's not at Supreme Kai. I need him protected at all costs.
What's up? I mean, good day and greetings. So what's going on with you? What do you want?
I'm not asking much. I just want a friend, you see. You're not like most people. You're fun. I want you to be my friend, Okie dokie.
We can do that, I guess, but is that the only reason you called?
Is that a problem?
Of course not, Grand Zeno. Goku would feel privileged to be your friend and provide you unsurpassed joy.
You be quiet.
I'm sorry, Zeno, but actually now's a bad time. There's something I've got to take care of, but when it's done, we can play, I swear!
So once you're done with your busy thing, you'll play with me?
Sure! And if you want, I can bring somebody else who'd be even more fun to play with too. So the next time, you won't have to wait on me.
Really? Okay, it's a date. Bye-bye, Goku.
Go on, Goku, rejoice! Only through me will you finally reach the pinnacle of beauty you have sought for so very long. You know, I don't know what you're rambling on about. Father! I'm counting on you! Your mind is too small. Your kind is incapable of understanding the grandeur of my success and the glory of my cause. It's like staring into the sun. You cannot see. The vast beauty of my being overwhelms you. For I am breed apart and divine. I'm not done yet. Badminton feet! Could be worse. Foolish! I'm not done yet. Say? Going all out! I'm not done yet. Badminton feet! Here I come! This right through the limit! Me! Here we go! Foolish! I'm not done yet.
That's enough.
ZAMASU! I thought you were decent, but you're scheming with Black!
Scheming, such a negative word. We are more like comrades on a righteous crusade.
And I won't lose!
This should be plenty sufficient.
Here we go!
So weak. My reign is almost over. Soon the world I've been dreaming of for so long will be made manifest. A truly just and perfect utopian existence. Mortals are unnecessary, and more than that, unwelcome in my paradise.
Hate to burst your bubble, but there's no way I'm letting you two get what you want! Goku! Watch out! Crap! Take it! Crumble! Watch out! Crap! Watch out!
This should be plenty sufficient. How disappointing you ungrateful and barbaric creatures are! The gods gave you minds capable of true wisdom, yet you wasted on self-interest and war.
can you talk about the values of mortals after everything you've done to my world? Final Flash!
You think you got him?
What? It can't be!
I've taken godhood to a new level. Divinity made perfect. With a body that befits a Kai. One that is invincible. I can already tell I'm going to be sleeping soundly tonight. This is your end.
Say it.
Who's there?
It seems we've returned to a future where there is no black.
My world didn't change. I knew it. Beerus couldn't fix this. Not even the act of a god made a difference.
We know the truth. All the terrible things you've done. We know you used the Super Dragon Balls to get your power.
You think I'm a copy? Oh, you're wrong. This is Goku's actual body, down to the last battle scar. The perfect war machine. I took the time ring and found the Super Dragon Balls. Then, with my first wish to the dragon, I switched bodies with you, Goku.
Okay, so if you're telling us you're ZAMASU, then who's this guy who actually looks like him?
From your world's perspective, I'm the ZAMASU from this world. And I work for justice with the ZAMASU from the past.
You haven't worked it out yet, Goku? I'm none other than the Kai once called ZAMASU. The god defeated by a mere mortal. You.
But how can that be? I saw Beerus destroy you. He said you'd be gone.
Old Beerus clearly doesn't understand the full beauty of this time ring. Wearing it protects me. Not even what a god did in the past can affect me. Thanks to the time ring, I could empower my new ally without waiting at all. We collected the Super Dragon Balls in the future and wished again.
You were willing to kill your Supreme Kai just to get that ring?
Yes. Then we had to make sure no one would undo our accomplishments later. So we found the Super Dragon Balls once more and shattered them.
After that, we had to keep the other gods from interfering here. I used your strength to kill every other Kai in this multiverse.
That means in this timeline, there are no more gods who can stop us. We have all the power.
The two of us alone!
This destruction was unfortunate, but necessary to achieve our virtuous goal. The Zero Mortal Plan. Mortals are a foolish and ugly mistake that stain the majesty of the cosmos. By eliminating all mortal creatures, we can reclaim this perfect creation.
We've already cleansed a great number of planets of their repulsive mortal blight.
Your filthy kind is worst of all. How many times have conflicts nearly destroyed this planet and threatened to spread across the universe?
Because you are the ugliest, we are sentencing you to the heaviest punishment. A despair and terror that befits your wicked crimes. And none of you will escape it. This is it, Saiyans. For the sake of our most glorious project, you will die today. Cannot keep up with me! Here we go! Take this! Break through the limit! Me! What?
I thought for sure you would have asked by now, Goku. Aren't you concerned about your family?
My family? Like, where does one begin such a gripping tale? After I collected the Super Dragon Balls and switched bodies with you, I went to Earth to check, to make sure we had really switched. And there I found you. You were shocked to find yourself in my body. Your family was terrified. Damn you! What about Chi-Chi and Goten? Oh, sure, you can guess that much, Goku. You monster! You pay for that! You took my body! You took my life! And then you even killed Chi-Chi and Goten! You're gonna regret telling me that, ZAMASU! Now I'm mad! Now I'm really, really mad! And now it's time to pay! It was like this, right? Admit it! Thank you, Goku. Your anger feels simply incredible. Now, face my blade is sufficient. There will be no more retreating.
Now you're trapped here. So this world will be the last you ever see.
For a god, you're surprisingly confused. This isn't going to be our final resting place. It's going to be yours. We were even going to bring you a casket, but we couldn't find one small enough.
Our master Goku and the other Kais were foolish enough to believe mortals could be entrusted with intellect.
So, Kakarot, where are you keeping that jar?
Oh, crap! It was still in the time machine when they blew it up!
How could you be that stupid? Fine, what's done is done. I'd rather win with our fist than some magic trick anyway.
I was just thinking the same thing. You better keep your focus on me!
Mortals do not tell gods what to do! Here I am.
Take this! This was just the start. By channeling my divine rage into power, I have forged a new instrument with which to destroy you. This Saga will carve a reminder into your mortal flesh of the strength of my divine wrath!
Just as we foresaw, fighting this formidable Saiyan blight has carried us both to new heights. This proves our transformative power. Our destiny is to cast judgment upon all creation.
I could use it. Hold it! What the? What's the matter, Mortals? Relax. Don't be afraid. I thought you Saiyans loved fighting the strongest. Admit defeat. Father! Goku!
Trunks, you okay?
He's weak. Trunks must have done something. How did you disgrace yourself against those mortals? We were barely separated. What went wrong?
It seems many of our assumptions about mortals were badly mistaken. They are much more.
You pathetic, lowly mortals.
Kneel before our radiance!
You foolish! This game is over.
You shall kneel before our radiance.
Justice together!
Thus begins a new world.
I'm going all out!
Show your reverence and bow down before our splendor. Worship. Give praise unto me the beautiful, the sublime, me the invincible, the almighty divine. All hail ZAMASU.
Trunks, keep Bulma safe!
Right! I'm going all out!
It's a great honor to fall at the hands of a god, is it not?
Goku, Vegeta, are you all right?
Yeah, we're a little banged up. But I think we're okay, at least for now.
After fusing, he now possesses indestructibility and Saiyan strength. How can you surpass that?
Who knows? But no matter what, I will make him pay for everything he's done.
With you all the way, Vegeta. I don't care about the odds. We won't stop until he's defeated.
Here I am. It's a great honor to fall at the hands of a god, is it? Hearken unto me. The glowing sun in the sky, which illuminates this world. And all shall know that my brilliance is justice. I, the god ZAMASU, am the universal wisdom, the universal law, and yes, the universal power.
Strength be a shield for this world and for all of us mortals. I'm putting all of our hope into this one blast! Gallic Gun!
Come on, Trunks! Give it all you've got!
Right!
I've had enough of you impudent mortals. Away with you!
ZAMASU! Get ready, cause I'm knocking your lights out for good!
I shall smite the heart of the wicked. Face my divine wrath!
Ah!
Blasphemous fool! You continue to defy a god!
Half of this combined ZAMASU came from Black. It seems the part of his body that's vulnerable to attacks is affecting the part that isn't.
Okay, Vegeta. It's time. We're gonna fuse. Just like them.
You can't be serious, clown! There's no way I'm going to do that again!
I don't like this any more than you do, Vegeta. But if we still need a major boost in power to break down his body, then this is the best chance we've got. Come on. You gotta admit I'm right about this.
Good luck, you two.
Thank you. It's now or never, Vegeta. There's something I've always wondered. When we fused last time, the Kai said it was permanent. But we split apart anyway. Do you know why?
The truth is, it's only permanent if a Supreme Kai is involved. Otherwise, it only lasts an hour.
So just a 1-hour battle, then we're back to ourselves!
Cut it out! If you say one more word, then the answer's no! Damn it all! 1 hour, but that's it!
Vegeta, I need your help. Just one more time.
Oh, I swore I'd never merge bodies with you again.
All right!
Who are you?
You two doubled up, so we did the same. You know, just to play fair. We're a merged fight, a combination of Vegeta and Kakarot. Vegito! And here's something new. Vegito Blue! Get ready for this.
You might be more powerful, but you're still not a god!
Okay, what do you say we wrap this up?
Here I am.
Over here! Playtime is over. Oh, I'm sorry. Is this hurting you? You aren't a purely invincible god anymore. And you can never get the number of mortals down to 0 now. Final... Kamehameha! You see, now that you've merged, you've taken in something that's always going to be a part of you, for as long as you live.
You cannot keep up with me!
Goku's mortal and destructible body.
You think that's a revelation? That Goku's body will always be a part of me? Of course it will. Such was my desire. You will say, if you've gained divine power, you're stronger than most deities now. Saiyans are the ultimate symbol of the failure of the Kais. By taking Goku's flesh into my being, I have assumed both the sins of the mortal kind and the failure of divinity, so they may never be repeated.
Got an answer for everything, huh? That was close. Over here.
So we...
Just die already. Final. Kamehameha!
hasn't been an hour yet.
It's not about gods and mortals! You don't believe in anything but yourself! And we won't let you win! I can feel it. Keep it coming, guys. Share your power with me!
Supreme Kai, tell me, do you think the ZEN-OH of this timeline is still around?
Yes, there's no question. Of course he would be. No one can defeat Grand ZEN-OH. It's impossible.
All of existence